Huh?
Are you 38 or 37?
Whoa!
It's showtime. We the children of light, and we will never let up. Never giving up fight, yeah. We didn't make it through the night, yeah. Done the crawling all night, but keep your head up, Charlie. We were made for this life, yeah. Wait to see how we rise up. We've been down for too long, waiting for a come up. Better days around the corner. All the pain made us stronger, yeah. We aim for the long run, keep on surviving in this war for no reason. Now we changing the season, yeah. Storm is over now. Storm is over now. Me I say storm is over now. Storm is over now. Storm is over now. Me I say storm is over now. Storm is over. Change is coming tonight. Can see the sky start to clear up. We've been waiting for life, oh. Never giving up the fight, no. Start a countdown right now. About to take off, yeah. It's our turn to rise, oh. We're the children of light, oh. We've been down for too long, waiting for a come up. Better days around the corner. All the pain made us stronger, yeah. We aim for the long run, keep on surviving in this war for no reason. Now we changing the season, yeah. Storm is over now. Storm is over now. Me I say storm is over now. Storm is over now. Storm is over now. Me I say storm is over now.
Hey girl, hey. Hey sis, hey bro. Whoever out here watching this right now. So you know, you've already seen that I put together the Foyer table that I got from Wayfair. Love it, love it. Now I've been on the hunt for a lamp. I was in between if I wanted to have 2 lamps or 1 because it's a 60-inch table. But I have decided to go with 1 to try it out. I have been hunting high and low because trying to think of a color scheme, trying not to be like all dark and like just trying to make it all make sense has been a little difficult. However, I have found a lamp and I'm so excited. I went and bought a bulb and like, it just works. And I'm excited for the rest of this foyer table to just be complete. So let's look at the new addition to the foyer table and let's just get into it because I'm so excited. You guys, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I got this find. Like, let me get it. Look at the details, okay? Okay, look at it. Okay. So first, it's like peanut butter. And then this is not white. It's like grainy. Let's see if you can really see it. You see that? And let's get it cut on real quick. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Come on. Now, I am gonna buy some things to kind of pull it all in because we got a black table and a brown and like neutral toned top. However, see the vision. You guys see the vision, okay? I got this lamp for I think $60 at Marshall's, you guys. Are you kidding me? Like, are you serious? I got this yesterday and they did have another one. However, I think that if I put two on this table, it will look too busy. I want to be minimal. However, I want to be impactful. So this lamp, I stand, okay? I have a warm, whatever you call it. I'll show you the bulb that I got. I got it from Target and it just freaking works. Let's see. So the bulb is this relax LED neutral warm white light. Come on, are you serious? Look at it. Look at it from over there. Imagine at night. So the table kind of ties into the stairs, and then when we've already got the new fixture for that. I can't believe you guys see that. But this is the new addition. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Come on. Comment below, what do you think that I should put on the side to kind of tie it in? Some cream, something that has all the colors in it. Like, something like that. I don't want to do the regular books or the regular, how everybody do books or something like that. But I want something that really makes it pop and just make it make sense. Can you see the vision? Like, is it connecting to you? So I'm trying to figure out, you guys, give me some ideas. What should I put down there? Because it's very open. I don't want to see the cord for the lamp. And I'm probably just about to lighten. The lighting, I'm getting dark over here. Hold on. All right. I don't want to see that. Even though it's a clear type of cord. Like, is the vision making sense to y'all? Look. All right, on that note, subscribe. Look, I said subscribe one like this. If you like the video, subscribe, thumbs it up, let me know what I should do back there on that foyer table. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.